So chat, as I'm saying, with everything that is happening, is beef with teen. I don't know. There's always somewhere when things happen. There's always a third side to the story. Yeah, mna ndithi, as long as we are ready, I don't know, and it is we don't want another Kubevu, we don't want another Bravo. Yeah. But another thing, maybe, do we want then the next leader of this thing to be from Cape Town? Yeah, because I believe this bro fits the profile. Yeah, he fits. Do we have to have a leader? That's also another question. Yeah, but ukhona umuntu uzawagqatha than all of us play way. There's always gonna be that nigga. Yeah, and it we do need a leader. Singalingana, but there's always gonna be that bro who's better than. Better is a good word. I think Flash when it comes to this thing, he is that good. Yeah, well, that's me. Yeah, well, is he better than these niggas? He's better than these niggas. Yeah, well, that's what I'm saying. That's what I think. Flash Ikumkani is better. Like trap, making music, sounding seeing he's better than these niggas. But can we give it to Inkosi? Inkosi doesn't want this thing. He doesn't want to be on that. Ungozi is just out here doing moves. That's it. Yeah, well, he's just that. Yeah, well, and he do Flash Ikumkani, but Flash is not a pro who would back out and like yeah, well, if I'm nigga, I tell us another mean. Anyway, let me see this music video. That'll be a titties.
Can make nothing easy to my class. She can work quiet, she can quite tight. Lazy actors is shining time. Sending kill and pinning in court. The messaging on the cell phone is so good. As come my daily will tell I import. Wanna go, I spend no more. As when you fame, my son and alone. I take it out and the mod. Funny man, cause he funny bogot. And rapping Jenny, Jan and enjoy. Get your seat, get your seat. Phethwe mole we Phethwe Sithi, Phethwe Sithi, Phethwe Sithi, Phethwe mole we Phethwe Sithi, Phethwe Sithi, Phethwe Sithi, Phethwe mole we Phethwe Sithi, Phethwe Sithi, Phethwe Sithi, Phethwe mole we Phethwe Sithi.
Sitela sithalela isikhundla kudala nisusa bazange banika ufika apha emodini iphole nesifani I guess you can see by izinto zajik shita ungabe ngofiki memo siyithatha beking sibuda uziminca ngophile khetha amacango kusixelela izitori isijibo sicinga uyaji gogo ibonile we Phethwe Sithi xa sisasibamba ubomi wajinja amanifoni ethini banikhala qona xa ziboys ezifries elifitshi dala sibaphakela abantu sibatshisa encasa sekushota basihlambela izitya stinging the map cause akhona ezojik hleli iyakhanya all around my G's
Phethwe Sithi, Phethwe Sithi, Phethwe mole we Phethwe Sithi, Phethwe Sithi, Phethwe Sithi, Phethwe mole we Phethwe Sithi.
Yo. There's something in the instrument. Was it there in the original song? Boop, 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 boop. Why was it there in the chat? Help me out here. Was it there in the original song? Cause what the fuck?
Phethwe Sithi, Phethwe Sithi, Phethwe mole we Phethwe Sithi, Phethwe Sithi, Phethwe Sithi, Phethwe mole we Phethwe Sithi.
But we miss it when you flow in English. Tell the truth, I ain't really thought you listened. French kiss, how between the tongues I'm flipping. Ilamza, I listen to how I'm lipping. Don't know only play people part to paint. Never been a rat, but you can't sweat it. Niggas need balls, making out my net. When I'm fully slow, in Tali Khana, like you get a shot, get a shot, get a shot. Sure, can't stand, I stop by shots. Niggas is trained, I'm yeah, force. The motherfucking guy shot me going on. Phethwe Sithi, mole we Phethwe Sithi. Ongadwanga no line uzoqina usekhona ukubevu uyaphila umadiba nomnone bathini
Sesibenje nothini ngemini kwethukile ngoba iphando lifikile base zingakodwa sivalelekile profile ikhi unit sobekufanelekile sinomhlangano omkhulu idibeni isi menze proud umakhulu benibukele TV nginobhuta abakhulu xa benibonela liqhiza intombi kakhulu engabele stage ngilale emephini ngiflash lightile naxesha bathini sodibana esikhathini sengifikile ebhanting balekile kumkiko esafune stage high oko benemotion iphinde zimuze Gauteng jiki sengibuyele king ngisho video Philip ukube kunkesi Phethwe Sithi Phethwe Sithi.
Nah. This is what I'm talking about, Bafethu. This is what I'm talking about. yo, Flash Ikumkani. Flash Ikumkani. Aba Phethwe. Ay, Ndiala majita. This brew is hot. This brew is hot. Chloe? Hey, he's hot. And I've kudala ishumayela lewe lo mjito wrong lewe. Le verse uve wathi gqi thubeni nathi awu wrong lo mjito lewe.
Phethwe mole we Phethwe mole we Phethwe mole we Phethwe mole we
It's been a little while, I'm back in. Sending whack rappers packing. The daytime starts moving backwards. Be the day you ever catch me lacking. I remember camps in the lab when I had the gang packed in the back of the wagon. We ain't never had no rags, no food, no drink, just passion. No clue, no licks, just classics. No flukes, no tricks, just action. I had to move packs and the racks to the club. Niggas had to make do with a fraction. I swear, word to my partner, I might need a doctor. I feel like my illness contagious. Cause flashing me up if we locked in and I think he got it. I guess that explains it.
Phethwe mole we Phethwe mole we.
Uba ukhip thini ubudibene naye xa bekutheni? It was a good idea, chap.
Phethwe mole we Phethwe mole we Phethwe.
Fire. Fire, bro. Fire. That was actually fire. No cap, no keys. Now shout out to Flash Ikumkani. That was actually solid. I'm not sure if original song ikhona la way bendiva la instrument. I don't know. But anywho,